Hello Leo, welcome to your reading for the second half of the month March. Let's see what my magic cards and my little mug have for you for this period of time. So let's proceed. As usual, a moment to look into your mug. First of all, you intend to travel on a long distance, and you will most definitely travel. And you will travel in a very low vibration state of mind. You will be together with a very loyal and good friend on this whole journey. There is also another person thinking about this travel, this trip that you will make. It's a trip outside of your house. It's a very long trip. It's going to be on long distance, and there is this other person thinking about this, and the thought of you having this trip makes this woman that I see here, because here I see a woman, makes her very happy. She expects news from you, or news about you having this trip, what happens with you in this trip. She's very curious. She wants to know what's happening with you. And very important for this trip will be numbers 3 and 1. Either is 31, 13, 3 and 1. I don't know. Think about how it would relate to your situation, this group of numbers. Okay, let's look into the mug. You have, in regards to your love situation, in this moment, today, you have some question marks in regards to a situation or to a person. Something is not clear to you. You have a black section of the mug just in front of you, so you don't see clearly either. You don't see clearly because your energy is very low and your mind is very loud. And you, as long as you don't make your mind quiet, you will never hear your intuition, because your intuition always has the answers. But as long as the mind is louder than the intuition, it's difficult to see the light at the end of the tunnel. So you have question marks in regards to this person. You don't see now, but you will have a huge accomplishment in your love life. But for the moment, you can't see this. You are way too much in your mind. You're overthinking a lot about these question marks that you have in regards to this person. But you will have accomplishments. You have a beautiful bouquet of flowers in front of you. Bouquet of flowers that for the moment you are not able to see. In your house. In your house, you have a woman figure, maybe a mother, a sister, or maybe even yourself if you're a woman. This woman is kind of the leader of this family. Everybody else is following her. She has a good intuition. She has beautiful ideas that are helpful for the whole family. The name of this person may start with an A. In front of her, she has, again, the A letter, a V, and a T. As I said, everybody is following this woman. I see you in your house relaxing, relaxing with somebody else, either relaxing or going kind of in the hangman mode in the tarot cards. You are you withdraw in your shell. You want to think, you want to recalibrate, you want to think, rethink the strategies of your life. You want to think what decision you will take. Be aware of the fact that you have the root chakra and the sexual chakra blocked. There's a dark spot just on this area of the lower abdomen, and you may need to do some cleaning meditations and some chakra meditations to align your chakras and to reconnect with to reconnect your root chakra to the earth, to Mother Earth. Yeah, there's another person in this process of thinking with you. There's somebody thinking with you, and you're both trying to find a solution. Also, this person has some energy issues. This person has a blockage on the heart chakra, and is not very bad. It's not as bad as your blockage on the root chakra and the sexual chakra, but is also a blockage. This person also needs to work on this blockage. Although you are so blocked and so unbalanced energetically, you are divinely protected. I also see you in your house kissing someone, a potential partner, and or maybe your partner. Maybe you are in a relationship, and you are in a very good energy, kissing and being very passionate with your partner. Maybe the person that you are helps you in this thinking process and is thinking with you may also be your partner. As I said, divine protection. But although you have this divine protection, I advise you to do some meditation and try to clean your energies and do something about this. Pretty soon you will be, I don't know, winning something. You have something that you're holding as a trophy, as a wand. Maybe you are taking actions towards, because in the tarot cards the wands mean action and passion. And in front of this scene where I see you holding this in your hand, either this is a trophy or a wand, you have a huge accomplishment. Maybe you're taking action towards an accomplishment. This is very beautiful energy, very positive energy. Whatever you are doing is going to bring satisfaction. And this is in your house, and it may also be in regards to some financial things, some financial situation, because the thing is that you are in a group of people, so maybe in a work environment, because it seems like you are leading all these people towards this accomplishment. So it may be in the work area. But anyway, all these people behind you are looking at you, and you're guiding all of them towards this accomplishment. Again, I see very passionate moments in your house between you and your partner. Let's see the future. I see lots of people gathered around a dark spot. A dark spot means an unhappy event, a difficult situation, a dark moment. But the point is that this dark moment, this dark spot, is being hit by a thunderstruck. So, maybe there is a blockage in a situation. If it's a situation that involves more than one person besides you, it means that it may be either a family situation or a work situation. The fact that it's this black spot is being hit by the thunderstruck, it means that maybe someone is looking for a genius idea to unblock a situation, to finish a project, to find the genius solution, to invent something, to, I don't know, maybe you have a deadline in a project and it's working magic. Someone just has like the most brilliant and sudden idea, and this idea solves everything, every struggle that you've been through for maybe weeks now, months. And something will fix all this. And all you are with all these people around this dot, this black dot, and above all of you there is a person, a very enlightened person. This person has like an aura around his or her head. This person is communicating with the divinity, has a brilliant inspiration. The name of this person may start with an H. This may be the person that has this brilliant idea. It's possible. Let's shuffle a bit the cards in regards to these question marks to see what question marks do you have, and why is this person putting you in this situation. What kind of events will happen or happened that make you be so in such a low vibration that you don't see the accomplishment that you have in front of you with this person, or in regards to love. You have tears in regards to a big gift of money. You expect a huge amount of money, and it may be that this gift doesn't come because you have tears, lots of tears. Let's see. Whoa. Yeah, this is a situation that is definitely happening at work. If you are the queen or the king of hearts, we have the king and the queen of hearts. If you are one of these two people, queen of hearts, dark light brown hair, light brown eyes, king of hearts, the same with the king of hearts is possible to be a bit older. He's usually a husband, a boyfriend, a very reliable man. The thing is, these two can be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Between these two people, there is good words, sexual attraction, and huge joy. All of this happens in the middle of all this situation from work. And definitely your man is from work if you are the woman here, because, and he's with love, with honest love towards you, because he looks like a state person. He appears to be like a state person. And he is with love here for you, with beautiful words, with sexual attraction, with big joy, but everything is in this work situation. Let's pull one more card to see if we can get any details, because we got all the queens and the knights and everything from for this work situation, but we don't have any action cards to see what's happening. Jesus Christ. The thing is that all the energy surrounding this project or whatever you do at work is very good energy. We have a very beautiful good words on evening travel, on an evening time. We have also a huge gift, and usually this means money, but we have this energy that is not grounded, that is not, this card means marriage, means destiny, means karma, means grounded energy, grounded thoughts, grounded actions. The point is that my thought and my feelings and the way my intuition sees this situation is, you are in a relationship with someone from work. All of you work in a huge project. And you, the one I'm reading for, you're the leader or some sort of important position you have in this project. The thing is that you are afraid, you have a very ungrounded energy, and you are afraid that you may not receive this gift, this amount of money. And this is scary for you. But yeah, and you don't see it influences your love life, because if you work with your loved one, it's normal to influence your love life. You're stressed and you don't see the accomplishment you have in front of you. And it's also possible that this person that I see in the future being so enlightened and so in contact with divinity and communicating with the intuition and with the beings of light from above may even be you. You may be the one having this genius strike that solves all the problems. So as I said earlier, it's too much noise into your mind. Stop the noise, stop the mind, stop the conscious mind, and let the intuition step in. It will help you so much. Start meditating and relax that mind. Make that mind shut up, because it will only bring you peace and beautiful ideas, and it will help you so much. Once you're calm, you see the light at the end of the tunnel. When it's too much noise, no chance. This was my reading for you, beloved people. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be waiting for you for our next reading. Goodbye.